Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Here I have two Nokia 2600, both functional, and I want to save one of them. Well, I'm not gonna throw the other onto the trash. I just need to know which one I'm gonna clean in the interior and which body shell I'm going to save. I'm going to save this body shell because I like its design. It has a few scratches and dents, but not that bad. This, on the other hand, it's actually two body shells. Yeah. But this one has better buttons and this one has the better body shell. So I'm gonna take these buttons and this body shell and see which one has less stock towers. They're both in my language, in Romanian, so lifetime 21 hours and 53 minutes. 377 hours and 4 minutes. Yeah. Well, lifetimer it's a bit irrelevant to these things, but it matters to me. So let me turn them off. So I'm gonna keep this main board with this body shell. Let's begin. Yay. Well, if I were to take these out, I should get them like this. Oh, yikes! Oh my god! Eek. Nope. Actually, this whole thing, nope. Well, let me not be a bad guy about it, and I know I'm gonna clean those. This one is even cleaner. What the heck? Yeah. I'm gonna put it on this one. Complete it. Well, this won't be in my showcase, but it will be in my drawer with all the other phones. So, take it away. It should be an easy phone to disassemble, not many hard stuff. Come on, you. There we go. It just came out simple as that. Another classic microphone. Finally, it's out. Should be the antenna. And then here is the loudspeaker with the resonator box, which is glued together, and I'm not gonna complicate my existence and disassemble it, so let it there. Take out this thing. There we go. This thing should come off as well. The email plate. Let's take a closer look on the main board. This is the vibration router, the battery connectors. Something like that. Those are the two spacers. If I remember correctly, you should not be able to put them the other way around, right? No, these are the same, so no problem. Here's the display. Finally, the earpiece. Which is this thing. Right, so I'll get to clean these parts and be right back. I'm also going to polish the body shell. Gonna be a lot of work, but worth it. Hehe. Don't go anywhere. I said don't go anywhere. Well, I've cleaned and polished and did everything I could. This phone is full of scratches, but I don't know, I just like the body shell, so I'm keeping it. Take this out of the way and to start putting the phone back together. I almost forgot to put this back. I'm in a hurry to put the display because dust can get in very quick and it's annoying to clean. My air compressor is almost empty and I do not want to start it up again, you know. That's one. This should be two. Okay, good enough. Now to put it back. Take this out. Okay, one last thing to put here, from the bottom to the top. And there we have this scratched phone. I like the body shell design, you know, and that's why I wanted to save it. Should be good enough. Well, yeah, of course. Yeah, if my genius self would put a SIM card and a battery in, it should start up, you know. Yeah. This is the finished. Still scratched, but I did what I could. I really like this body shell and I wanted to save it. And it's in my language, good. The 21 hours one. Well, that's it for today's video. Let me take the thumbnail picture. There we go. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And like always, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself and all the best. And this is the showcase. Bye. Boo.